Hi, I'm Kaylin, and welcome to 990 Santa Ana in Laguna Beach, California. I'm thrilled to present this home to you today, located in Arch Beach Heights in Laguna Beach. This home has impeccable upgrades, a double corner lot with a gorgeous ocean view facing Catalina in the Laguna Beach coast. I want to welcome you to one of my favorite places in the house, the living room and kitchen. This room offers cathedral-like high ceilings, skylights with tons of natural light, and the home overlooks Laguna Beach coast in Catalina Island. This home features 4 spacious bedrooms with tons of natural light and space, the perfect place to unwind after a long day. Along with the bedrooms, there's 3.5 recently renovated, beautiful and modern bathrooms. With over $250,000 worth of improvements, we have freshly epoxied floors, newly renovated exterior complete with grass backyard, a gorgeous low-maintenance landscaping, exterior walls, new patio, driveway, a trash enclosure, and hardscaping. Thank you for touring 990 Santa Ana in Laguna Beach with us today. I invite you and encourage you to schedule your private tour. I'm Kaylin Forian with Legacy 15 Real Estate Brokers.